If you are a beginner artist, then make sure you watch this video all the way into the end so you can receive knowledge and tips that will help you become a better artist. This is an exclusive video where I go back to my hometown, Kingston, New York, to teach, to show, and to talk to children of the reading and writing program. I enjoyed it and I hope the kids enjoyed it as well. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by leaving me a comment. Let me know what you think of the video. You can also like the video, hit the like button, and also absolutely hit that subscribe button. So yeah, here we go.
How you guys doing? You guys remember me? Yeah. Who remembers my name? Nobody? Anybody? Let me hear it. It's okay. You guys, there's a lot of you guys, I don't remember half of you guys' names. So my name is Jalani. I used to be a student of Miss Teresa's at the reading and writing program, just like you guys, since I was 3 apparently, if you let her tell it. And today we're gonna be painting something special to each of you guys. I'm making a video, so if you want, you guys can say hi. You can wave to the camera over there. Say hi. Be loud so they can hear you. I like it. You guys are gonna think of somebody that is important to you, like a mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, your brother, your sister, aunt, uncle, a friend, whoever is someone special to you guys that you want to think of, and then think of something that represents them. So how we're gonna start is gonna be like 2 or 3 phases. The first phase is we're gonna use our pencils to create a sketch on our easels, on our canvases. So if you guys think of your mom or your dad, what do they like? Do they like football? Do they like soccer? Do they like basketball? Do you think of Halloween because of them? Or is their favorite holiday Christmas? Do they like fishing? Do they like teaching? Do you like whatever? Or what do they do for their job? What do you guys do together? Think of something that you guys can use to paint a picture. Who are you thinking about? You're thinking about your mom. What is your mom like? What's something your mom like, or what is something that you'd like to do with your mom? Perfect. So you can make something that your mom likes to cook. You can make the food, or you can make the stove, or you can make an oven mitt or a chef's hat. You got different options with that. Green shirt, who are you thinking about? Who's a special person? Your sister. What is something that you enjoy doing with your sister? Or your sister, you think of your sister. What makes you think of your sister? Digital arts. Okay, you could draw an iPad or a computer. I think that would be super cool if you drew like an iPad or a computer and then like a picture inside the iPad or a computer. So get started on that. What do you got? Who are you thinking about? What does your friend like? Or what makes you think of your friend? What's something that you like about your friend that your friend does or that you do together? It obviously doesn't have to be perfect, but it's gonna be fun. What are you thinking of? A character from a show? What show? That's My Hero Academia? All right, cool. Draw something from My Hero Academia. Sure. But are you thinking of somebody? Does the heart represent somebody? Okay, so you can draw your heart with maybe mom, the word mom in it. You can draw a flower with it. Different things like that. Let me hear it. Malcolm, right? Is your name Malcolm or not? What's your name? Andrew? I was way off. Sorry about that. You like video games, but are you supposed to be thinking of someone that's special to you, like your dad or your brother or your mom? Perfect. So you and your brother like video games. So draw either a video game controller, you can draw a PlayStation, Xbox, different things of that nature. Who else? You over here, district champions. What are you thinking about? Who's someone special to you? All right, so you can draw a little bit of everything. Perfect. What about you, Guy? Okay, what's something special about you and your brother? What do you and your brother enjoy? Okay, so soccer, the goalie, different things of that nature.
This video is sponsored by Lionhearted Coloring Books. That's right, Lionhearted Coloring Books, where the coloring books teaches you about animals and holidays and seasons and sharing and diversity and all types of things. You can see all the different coloring books in the Lionhearted Coloring Book collection on my website. I will leave a link in the description. Once again, this video is sponsored by Lionhearted Coloring Books. Get yourself, your children, get your friend a Lionhearted Coloring Book to enjoy, and always stay lighthearted.
So just draw one thing or a few things so we can get the sketch done, and then we can start painting right after. I like it. Can you add some stuff around it? Beautiful. What do you got? I'm not a big Star Wars person. Leia, who's your favorite person? Mom? What does your mom like to do, or what do you like to do with your mom? Thrift stores, that's cool. So then you could draw some thrift clothes, some shirts, some fashion. There you go. What we got over here? Well, we got a whole lot of nothing over here. What's going on with that? Huh? We're starting. Huh? You have a what?
I'm ready to get started.
Okay. Well, everyone's still, what are we doing over here? Oh, I thought you guys were making a grid. I used to bite the backs of erasers to make that eraser poke out back in the day. You know. All right, so for me, chalk. Any chalk? District champion. Where any chalkers? Miss Teresa, you left me hanging. So it makes sense why we wouldn't understand. What is it? What is it? Oh, okay. That's not too far off. Maybe he doesn't play chess. I don't know. I like it. I like it. Let's see what we got. What are you doing, guy? Ooh, I like that. Cherries? Very nice. Why'd you pick cherries? Huh? Okay, all right. That's cool. I like it. I like how your background's coming out. You don't have red over there? Okay, let me see about that. One of the kids needs more red. Red paint. To the left, yes. To the red. She needs more red paint. Let's see what we got. You can share the blue right there. Oh my gosh. Sorry, you gotta have to help me, girl. Work it out. You two are sisters, right? Oh, look at that. Trio. I like it. Because you guys got a brother? You got another sister? Okay. Oh, all right. I like it. I like it. Say hi, say hi, say hi, say hey. Say hi, say hi. Green time spotlight. Say hi, say cheese, say hi. Coming out. Let's see how these sketches are coming out. Now you guys got until 3 o'clock, so you got a bunch of time, I think. What time is it? 56. What was your name again? Elia.
No, it's Delia, and I get called Yaya because it's my name, Yaya.
Give you some more balance. There you go. Okay, we got a portrait going on over here. We got like a live action. I like it. I like to see it. Oh, what? Okay, let me try to find you some more. Some different ones. You're not. Oh, you're Luke, right? How's it going over there? It looks like it's coming along good. It's a progress. It's a process. This is crazy. All right, we're gonna work it out. Let me red. Is there any more red? No, if there was, I guess a water bottle. Don't see a water bottle. All right. So there's this. If you like go like this, because it might not come out. But if you go like that, wow, look at that. I don't have anything. Y'all got the paint. Sometimes artists will use like dark blue and purple to look like black when they don't have black. Where's your palette? A good try. I think that will work out. Ow.
Do you like how they like this?
Can I get some more purple?
Okay, got it. 3 years. Let's see what we got. All right. I'm checking in again.
Quiet down! You're too loud!
What? No, you're gonna have to do it yourself, guy. I'm not gonna lie. And you might have to do without trying to go for black because these are lighter. These aren't the darkest of purple and black blue. I'm checking in again. How's everyone doing? Good. Are we progressing? Are we getting somewhere? Now you have 1 more hour, so you have a bunch of time. You got an arm up? How's it going? Some more light blue. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Light blue, light blue. Look at that. You're in luck. We got more light blue. Do you? Wow. Do you need blue? Are you good? Okay, good. All right. All right. So I did my outline over here. Let me catch up with you guys. All right, so how do we go about this? That's what we got so far. Here. Okay, sorry, no, you good. What you got going on over here? Is that a unicycle? It's a type of dirt bike? Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. I like it. Jalani. My name is Jalani. I'm looking. What you got going on over here? Okay, I like it. So it's like a landscape? It's like outside? Got my outline. This. Be careful, guys. Finish. Let me see what you got. Oh, we got 2. Oh, okay. I like it. That's interesting. Okay. All right. So now you two got mad space that's not painted. So you guys got work to do. You're supposed to fill in all the space. There she is. If you're, oh, you guys signed the back. Well, that works. Are you guys happy? Are you guys happy with how your paintings came out? All right, well, that's why. If no, then that's why you can always do more. Practice makes perfect. All right. Woo. You made this one? You had a, I thought I saw another one that said like I heart Jalani or you made okay. Okay. All right. Let me see what you got, boy. Okay, see, now it looks a lot better because you took away all that space. Let me see what you got, Luke. You didn't add no color where the space was at. That's fine.
You guys are done with your painting. And taking it. No. Everybody still should be sitting in their seats.
Now, the beauty about this video, just like all my drawing tutorial videos, is that anybody can do it. The assignment that I give to this class is think of someone that you love, that you care about, and then also think of something or an element or an object that represents that person that is special to you. You can follow along, participate, and I would love to see any artwork that comes from watching this video.